Realme's new Narzo lineup has two devices to begin with, the Narzo 10 and the Narzo 10A. And the Narzo 10 is a better device. Obviously, the 10A is a budget one with the price of 8,500, but the Narzo 10, that's this one, is priced at 12,000 rupees. So this phone is similar to the Realme 6, which was already in the market and it was doing quite well. So in this video, we're going to compare the Realme 6 with the Realme Narzo 10. Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and if you end up liking this video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the future notifications. So these two phones are quite similar in a way, but what are the major differences? And I actually made this video only to let you know that if you're looking for a Realme phone or a phone under 15,000 rupees, a decent mid-ranger, I would say don't spend 12,000 on this. You should rather spend 2k more and get the Realme 6 because it is a better deal in quite a few ways. So in this video, let me tell you about what are the major differences and how the Realme 6 actually is a better device overall. With the display itself, if you can see clearly, it's an Full HD Plus display on the Realme 6, while it's an HD Plus display on the Realme Narzo 10. But not just that, it's also a 90Hz refresh rate on the Realme 6, while it's a 60Hz one on this one. The screen protection is the same and the screen size is the same, but the resolution and the refresh rate is where the Realme 6 is a better one. Now moving on with the processor, the Realme 6 has the Helio G90D from MediaTek, which is actually a better gaming chipset, a better optimized chipset, and it has better graphic options when you try to play games like PUBG Mobile. So it has the smooth plus extreme option if you're someone who's into that gaming and you know what those things are. 60 FPS gaming is possible on this one. Obviously, if there are games that have a support for 90 Hz, you can, or 90 FPS, that is possible on this smartphone because of the screen refresh rate as well. But apart from that, 60 FPS PUBG Mobile gaming is possible on the Realme 6, while the Smooth Plus Ultra is the best possible option by default. If you go with tools like GFX tool, obviously you can get the 60 FPS on the Narzo 10 as well, but I would say that it's not by default. So that's where the Realme 6 with the Helio G90D is a better chipset for gaming. And with the options or whatever the variant you are getting, it's 4 plus 64 for 14,000 rupees. It's 4 plus 128 for the Narzo 10. So if you're someone who does understand about storage, who needs a lot more storage, I would say the Narzo 10 has by default more storage than the Realme 6. But that's not the only factor to consider when you're trying to purchase a smartphone, because these two phones have a dedicated microSD card slot. So there's no issue with the expansion of the storage. You can later expand the storage by using a microSD card. But by default, if you're looking at things like the camera, the processor, the display, that's where the Realme 6 is better. So that takes us to the next one, that is the cameras. So it's a quad camera setup. Realme has actually made it a habit of having 4 cameras on the back of the devices. So these two phones have a quad camera combination, but the primary camera on the Realme 6 is a 64 megapixel f1.8 camera, while it's a 48 megapixel f1.8 camera on the Realme Narzo 10. The other 3 cameras are almost the same. It's a 8 megapixel wide angle camera with the 119 degrees field of view. There's a 2 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera on the two phones. So not a lot of difference there, but 4K video recording is possible on the Realme 6 and that's not possible with the Realme Narzo 10. So that's one difference. 4K video recording, in case someone who's interested into those high resolution videos, obviously that's possible only on the Realme 6, not on the Narzo 10. Another difference with the storage, not just the storage size but also the storage technology used. It's the eMMC, that's the basic storage that was in the phone since quite some time. That's present on the Narzo 10, while it's UFS 2.1 storage on the Realme 6, which has better read and write speeds and a better faster speeds obviously for the storage, which helps in loading the apps faster, in storing the pictures faster, and also in the media transfers. So that's where the storage is better on the Realme 6, even though the storage capacity is lesser for the same price, or for the base price, that's 14,000 rupees. Now moving on with the selfie camera, it's the same 16 megapixel selfie camera on both the phones, but it's a punch hole display on the Realme 6, while it's the central notch, or the notch that has been there since quite some time in the market, that's present on the Realme Narzo 10. Now with the battery capacity, that's where the Narzo 10 is actually a choice you should be going with in case you're someone who considers battery life more than everything else. 5000 mAh battery on the Narzo 10 compared to 4300 mAh battery on the Realme 6. But again, 700 mAh battery, that's the difference. The fast charging is better on the Realme 6 again. It's a 30 watt fast charging with the charger given in the box itself. So that fast charging is supported on the Realme 6, while it's an 18 watt fast charging on the Narzo 10, which is not a bad fast charging at all. It's 18 watt, not bad at all. 9V2A is the output that you're getting. But still, if you consider fast charging as something that is very important, obviously 30 watt is much faster than the 18 watt on the Narzo 10. And with the security options that are given here, it's a side mounted fingerprint sensor on the Realme 6, which is easy to use, but it's no different from the back fingerprint sensor given on the Narzo 10. So in case you want to use the side fingerprint sensor on both the devices, you obviously will have to lift the phone. These don't have AMOLED displays, both have IPS LCD displays, so there's no in-display fingerprint sensor possible on this one. So either side one or a back one, I would say both are the same, and the performance as well is the same on both of them. Even the face unlock works quite well on both the phones in the same way, so no difference there as well. But if you're paying 2000 more, what are you actually getting more than the Narzo 10 here? Firstly, you're going to get that 90Hz display, the full HD resolution display, that's 1080 to 2400 pixels of screen resolution, then the Helio G90T chipset, UFS 2.1 storage, 30 watt fast charging, and a 64 megapixel primary camera. So those are the major things that you are going to get if you're actually considering the Realme 6 over the Narzo 10. But in case you end up with a strict budget or a tight budget, still the Narzo 10 is not a bad choice if you consider the battery life, because the 5000 mAh battery is given here. And apart from that, design wise, I would say if you consider only these two phones, then I would say design wise, I feel the Narzo 10 has a better design. In this case, I would say the Narzo 10 looks much sleeker and better than the Realme 6, because it's not just the vertical gradient but also the matte finish. It is resistant to smudges and fingerprints. Here, the smudges and fingerprints are clearly visible and they keep forming. So that's one thing with the design where I would prefer the Narzo 10 over the Realme 6, but I'm sure not most of you would consider the design as one of the major aspects there, because most of us would always keep the phones protected with a case. So in the end, the designs don't really matter. The phone looks good, but this is not how you are going to use it or hold it always. So that was the major comparison between the Realme 6 and the Narzo 10. I would say if you don't have a strict budget constraint, you should extend it to 14,000 to get the Realme 6 and skip the Narzo 10. But in case you are sticking with the Narzo 10 for its budget, you still are going to get a good battery device, and it's not a compromise. It's 18 watt fast charging, and the Helio G80 is a decent chipset, not a bad one at all. But anyway, you should try to extend the budget and get the Realme 6 over the Narzo 10. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.